an iconic American automobile. 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible. As you can see in the background, it does come with hard top. Also riding on the spoked wheels. It's not a wheel cover, it's a spoked wheel. Wide white wall radials. So this car will drive out down the road nice. 312 underneath the hood. Go ahead and take a look at the front grille. Chrome in the bumper. Thunderbird hood ornament. Nice bright work up front. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years also. You can consult with a sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726. Check out all the still pictures online, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see the paint show as well. Nice, bright red. That was the original color of this car also. You might have a couple real small, itty bitty touch-up spots, but few and far in between up front. Good looking paint. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches I've noticed. A little touch-up spot right here. You can also see fender skirts. I believe this would have been considered the pleated colonial interior. It'd be white pleated interior. See Ford-O-Matic, automatic, shifter down on the floor there. Factory steering wheel right there, as well as a little T-bird pillow you can see, and then miscellaneous parts. Those will also go with this car. You can check out the still pictures. We'll look through those. And then the hardtop with portholes, red in color. We're gonna put that on at the end of this video, so you can check that out also. The stand, unfortunately, does not go with it. That stays here, because I'm gonna need it on another car when I get a hardtop to remove. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear bumper. Exhaust exiting through that said bumper. Bright work on the rear of the vehicle. Also looks good. As well as let's take a look at the paint in the trunk. Again, you can see it has a nice shine to it. Really noticed any major imperfections. There's a little touch-up spot there. What I always like to say too is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a look at this car and get back to you on that. Compare how it looks in the pictures and the video to what a third-party inspector looks at. Feel free to. We try to represent these as fairly as we can in the still pictures and the videos. And of course, you're going to see a driving video of this car too. Kind of get a bird's eye view of what it's like to ride in it. That'll be at the very end here. All right. Lifeguard design for the T-Bird experts out there. Am I right? That had to do with that padded dash. Make a note down in the comments down below this video. Something for the T-Bird experts to fill us in on. You can also see power windows. Driver's side window goes up from that switch. I had to use the passenger switch right there to get the passenger window up, but they both do work, go up under power. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Is that 312? Tachometer working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. It does have an aftermarket like retro sound style radio, and that is working also. Oh, Thunderbird acrylic cup holder added. And you can see seat belts and really no rips, tears, holes. There is not a soft top back there. That door closes. That's nice. Look at that. Slip around to the back. See here, this rung. Sounds as you'd expect. Nothing crazy over the top exhaust wise. Got 312 under the hood. Speaking of which, let's take a look at it. Then we're going to put the hardtop on, check that out, and wrap this video up. Alright, let's look at the underside of the hood. This looks a lot like the original Paint OK stickers. I think it was stamped back in the day. And I think in restoration you see those on stickers put on there. That appears to be a sticker, but like I said, I think back in the day they stamped it. Another one the Thunderbird experts could fill us in on down in the comments. Looks like power steering. Of course, this will be a 12-volt system. It does have a battery disconnect. And again, 312 with a 4-barrel. Like heater hoses, all connected. You'll be able to see the data plate or call tag plate in with the still pictures. Good looking engine bay. Looks good and sounds good. All right, last but not least, let's get that hardtop on, check that out. All right, we got the hardtop on. And I tell you what, this hardtop it fits very nice as far as lining up the latches up front and the rear and on the side. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Of course, red in color to match the car. I also rolled up the side windows, again, power windows each side. You can see those fit nicely. Of course, the porthole, correct for the 57. There's a few spots. Paint checked right there a little bit. So on the top, there's a few spots where there's some imperfections. But let's face it, how many times are you gonna have that hardtop on this car? Be driving with no top majority of the time, glass rear window. Come around on this side. Again, you can see that side glass fits nicely. Once again, the porthole. 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Hard top convertible, 312 underneath the hood. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, riding on those spoked wheels. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Wide white wall radials also. Those tires aren't cheap. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1957 Ford Thunderbird in bright red with a cream interior. This is an automatic on the floor, so it's very easy to drive. Our blinker indicators aren't working. Fuel gauge is reading half. Factory tachometer also working. And speedometer. Temp gauge is just coming off of cold. That does look like it is functioning. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. This is, of course, a convertible. Good handling car. I don't feel any shakes. Got a good road feel and a nice suspension. Factory bench seat in here. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Horn works good. Very nice red carpet in this vehicle, matching the exterior. These are such an iconic body style. Great car for cruising in the summer with the top down, or up in the evenings. It's got the porthole windows and the hard top. Great looking vehicle. Easy to drive and handles well. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.